This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Thursday, October 30th. I'm James Spann. Pretty chilly this morning, but the really cold air blows in here tomorrow night. We're getting set for the first freeze of the season for many North Alabama communities by early Saturday and Sunday morning. Here's the water vapor satellite view, ridging in the west, troughing in the east. Temperatures this morning are in the 30s in many spots. Look at Fort Payne down to 34. Also 30s for Gadsden, Cullman, Haleyville. Birmingham at 43. We'll be in the upper 60s in most spots today. Around the nation, getting colder. And again, those temperatures will keep on dropping. It's going to get very chilly by the time the weekend gets here for much of the eastern U.S. We have freeze warnings this morning in effect for parts of Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Nebraska, or in Arkansas. And inevitably, we're going to see some of those around here for Saturday and Sunday morning. And interesting to note, winter weather advisories have been posted for the mountains of western North Carolina and western Virginia. And we'll probably see those expanding up into West Virginia. It looks like they're going to see the first snow of the season Saturday. 'Tis the season, that time of the year. But around here, we're dry, no rain or precipitation for the next 5 days. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. And the tropics, it's still quiet. We technically are in hurricane season to the end of November, but as the water gets cooler, typically we don't see many issues here this late in the season. That impulse north of the Leeward Islands is being sheared. If anything forms out there, it moves north. No threat to the U.S. All right, model fans. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. You can see that first wave coming through here, this bringing the cooler air. It's going to be a great day. Bright sunshine today with mid to upper 60s. The NAM is at 66. The GFS is at 68. Tomorrow, a 1036 high, cold. Down into Minnesota, strong north winds blowing down through the Great Lakes. Look at the 540 thickness line coming down into extreme northern Tennessee. Probably some snow flurries down into maybe Kentucky. And for us, late in the day, the wind begins to pick up. Tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, strong north winds. Now, before the cold air gets here, we'll probably see mid-60s. And then it's going to be very blustery and windy for the trick-or-treaters tomorrow night. Cold, high school football. That north wind will make it feel colder. And again, this is Saturday. By Saturday morning, we'll be somewhere between 30 and 35 for most spots. And still, the wind is going to be blowing, so frost should not be especially widespread, but a freeze, a definite possibility. And then during the day Saturday, it's going to be very chilly with a high only in the low and mid-50s. And a coastal low forms just to the east of the Outer Banks, and that could bring some pretty significant snow to parts of the mountains, maybe of North Carolina up into western Virginia and the state of West Virginia. This is Sunday, and that's when the wind goes calm early Sunday morning, and that's when frost should be widespread. And again, lows 30 to 35, and colder pockets could see 20s early Sunday morning. Goodness gracious. Here's a look at the snow potential valid through Sunday morning off the NAM, and you can see those big numbers in the mountains on the Tennessee-North Carolina border, suggesting maybe some amounts there of over 4 inches. And, of course, that's up in the high elevations. I don't think you'll see much. You might see a few snowflakes in Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg, but the big numbers will be at the higher elevations on the border of Tennessee and North Carolina. We'll check the temperature forecast coming off the ensemble, and you can see they've got Birmingham at or just below freezing Saturday and Sunday morning. Look at the high Saturday, only 51. Looks like many places north of Birmingham won't get out of the 40s. But next week looks more reasonable. This is Monday, will be sunny. Tuesday, be up there towards 70. And we got rain west of the state. Now, this is Wednesday, a batch of showers and storms creeping in here from the west, and the dynamic support seems to be weakening, so we don't expect any severe weather, and really the rain might not be all that heavy. Hopefully we'll get some decent rain. And then this is Thursday, a week from today. Ridging in the west, still broad troughing in the east, and showers mainly over South Alabama. So it looks like we'll have one crack at some rain in the middle of next week, maybe late Wednesday or Wednesday night, For the moment, it looks like it's not going to be a big rain event, no severe weather. But again, it's, almost a week away, so we'll keep a close eye on things. That could change. We'll check the end of the forecast, November 14th. Man, we're getting out there, getting closer to Thanksgiving. Heights over the nation, about where they should be, and down below that, evidence of a surface boundary coming in here with a chance of showers. But the good news for now, we don't see any severe weather threats on the board for the next 15 days. And we remind everybody that our fall tornado season begins on Saturday. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If I have time, I'll be live out at the Birmingham Zoo for Boo at the Zoo. One way or the other, we'll post some forecast notes here by 4 o'clock. And if you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.